time for something different in this episode. Some luxury muscle. This is Tony's 1961 Buick LeSabre. It definitely has presence on the road, being such a long and wide car. Those long lines are used very well to divide the Galaxy Grey and Orion Silver just at the right body line. What gets this land yacht moving, you ask? Well, a 455 big block no less, featuring a solid roller cam and breathing through ported stage 2 alloy heads. All that fuel gets fired up by an MSD ignition. Everything else goes out through custom headers into a 3-inch exhaust that has a really nice note to it. A 3800 RPM TCE converter and stage 2 turbo 400 get all that big block goodness back to a 3.9 geared 9-inch 31 spine axles. And all of that tries to get to the ground through the 275 by 20-inch rear tyres. Sitting on lowered suspension, Tony hopes to make the change to airbag suspension at some point so he can get the stance he really wants. The interior is trimmed in leather throughout in a tasteful manner and still uses factory interior chrome and trim pieces. Aftermarket gauges help Tony keep an eye on things, and not sure if it's got a stereo, but I don't know that you'd bother listening to it. So kick back and watch Tony's Buick own the road.